Okay, I just got my 5 volts and ground going to one of these little mini beacons. That kind of reminds me of something would be on a little power loader. And well, anyway, there's a reed switch right here that's interrupting the ground, and a magnet will trigger the reed switch to close. So if you put it on a coil or a magnet, and once it engages, you can see it triggers. The switch closes, the LED turns on. So I found that this works really well with games that you don't want to mess with node boards and power, because this is a separate power supply, safe on the machine. If you don't mind hot gluing to the magnet or a coil that fires, then it's a pretty cool way to and safe way to trigger LEDs.